For the 99.
I want Jennifer to leave. I smell like wet dog. Okay, it's currently 6:35. I'm taking a candy cane to school because, duh. Coffee is good. I can't find my water bottle, so I can't take it to school. It's raining, kind of, sort of. It's sprinkling. I don't.
Dude, my vlog was like, it was exporting. I was like, and I jumped up from it. Did you see my thumbnail?
Don't look right now. I didn't download YouTube Studio before I left.
What?
I didn't download YouTube Studio before I left. I can't download it at school. That's my data.
So?
I always like freak out about using data.
We have unlimited data.
Yeah, but eventually wouldn't it like slow down and they're like, whoa,
Yeah,
honey,
but dude, we don't even use that much of it. It's creepy. Hello. Bye-bye.
I'm early for school. I wasn't freaking recording that entire time. Anyways, people are yelling. It's raining on my screen. You know how it be? Oh my god. People are like screaming. It's so annoying. I hate people so much.
Trump 2020!
I smell like wet dog. And my feet are wet.
I'm in Adobe for €1.50.
Gonna make me some avocado toast.
Selena's watching this video on how to fix gapped teeth.
Look. Vamos a dejar de pica de la chingada. I don't know.
This does not work as a butter knife. Like, don't like, honestly.
She goes live when I'm putting my makeup on. So she's like, Angelina, we put it on your face. I'm like, yep. All those muscle switches now. They were amazing.
Oh!
Oh, I used the middle part. It wouldn't
I didn't.
close.
It's just,
It wouldn't close.
I didn't know it was open. Oh! Avocado toast. I actually showed it today. So I'm my huge. Ew. Okay. So I am washing dishes. I decided to stop so I could vlog. I'm washing dishes. I'm cleaning the kitchen. I just cleaned the stove, which, in my defense, looks very good. And I'm watching MasterChef while sipping, washing these dishes. And then after this, I'm gonna go change because I'm still in my school clothes, disgustingly. And I'm gonna work out. So I'm gonna put workout clothes on, and then I'm gonna work out like a little bit later or something, or after dinner. I don't know. I don't want to go any further. It's wet. It's cool.
This looks like bacon, like fake bacon.
So we made this pancake.
For the 99.
Takes like the 99. They're open 9 days a week, guys.
Great finesse. What's the worst thing with this? You've got the bread in it with 2 conversations.
Okay.
That's it.
So I'm gonna clean out my backpack because, honey, it's been a while and I have some things in there that really don't make sense that I saw today. First thing, my charger in my Chromebook, because I charge my phone, the long wire so that I can have my Chromebook in my backpack and I could just be sitting at my desk, like in 6th period, because I really don't do anything in that period because our teacher doesn't do anything. My English book notebook that I actually have to get a new one because I used the last page today. my Spanish notebook with coffee all over it. There's coffee all over it. Look, that's coffee because coffee spills all over his backpack. Lotion, my colored pencils, my spider pig, trash. This is Augustus. Judge me. Hand sanitizer, that's purple. This is not an EOS. It is a deodorant. This is deodorant. It's the best thing of my existence. Highlighter, the charger port thing, because people always need them, and I also, if I don't want to use my Chromebook or my Chromebook's bed, I can plug it into my 5th period because she doesn't care. These are the remains of my candy cane. My binder that literally carries everything. These are some things that me and Puma took at a 15. I'm not gonna show them because it shows people's names on them, and I don't really know if they want to show them. But I just have like loads of work in here. So, and then I have my everyday pencil. This is my favorite pencil thingy, my card ID, my Fitbit because it died and it's the wrong time zone, bracelet, more trash, and then just a bunch of trash. Now this one should be interesting. I also just have this is like a mini what's in my backpack. I'm not going to do an actual video on it because I'm basically doing it right now. I have, my sisters are so loud, I'm so sorry. I have pins all over the front. I'm going to start doing like a bunch of different pins, like push pins, no, safety pins. And then my thingies, but I've lost this one and I'm really sad about it. It was like my second favorite. Orange highlighter that actually was open all day. Broken choker, which I'm very sad about, but it was too big anyways. Dum Dum trash. I have a lot of trash. 0.5 lead. Carmex, a rock, Uniball pen, another Carmex, really ugly eraser that I drew all over in art. Oh, from Adventure Time. That you can see his nose. Okay, 2 pencils. One of them is broken and the other one doesn't have lead. Lots and lots of gum trash, like all of that. Like, yeah. Tiny sword. I don't know what I was doing there. This is all trash. A really ugly quarter, but I'm gonna keep it in there anyways. And then I just have a bunch of gum wrappers, some Twizzler wrappers, a half of piece of gum, and I think that's everything that's in my backpack. How interesting, am I right? Of trash that was in my backpack. That's not cute at all. I want Jennifer to leave. Oh, thank God. How do we feel about the pork versus the halibut? Yes. I can make I
just got up to get the phone.
Okay, with the tablet. Just like really quick.
I just cried for like the 5th time.
Alright, I think I was gonna hit you. I didn't even realize, sorry. Stop! Go away! Why are you following me? Yeah, well you have some anyway, so why do you care?
Because they have pockets.
Yours do too?
No! Mine don't have pockets.
Lame.
I know, right?
Mine have 4 pockets. I'm just gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna work out just like kind of late, and I was gonna vlog it, but since I'm working out kind of late, I can't vlog it because this vlog has to go up. I'm not going to school tomorrow, so which is why I'm gonna work out late anyways. But I have to get this vlog up so that I'm not like stressing it, and I don't want this vlog to go up at like 11 or something, because by the time I'm done working out and showering, blah blah blah. Yeah, I've been just eating carrots for like the past hour, so like I'm like really super full and I don't feel like it. So yeah, that was basically this vlog. It was a really short and simple vlog, to be completely honest. It rained like hella today. Let's check if it's still raining actually, because I'm actually kind of wondering. It's freezing outside, huh? Let's go outside anyways. I didn't turn a light on. It stopped raining? Oh, it stopped raining. You can't see me. It's cold. There, I have the porch light. But, oh, cool. Okay, so it stopped raining, so that's cool. But it's flipping cold, and there's like puddles everywhere. Like, horrible puddles. Like they're huge. Like, I can swim in them. I want to insert my workout because I'm doing kind of arms and more legs today. And I'm also going to be working out outside maybe, unless it's a little bit too cold. I don't know what the plan is yet, but I can't show it. And my eyebrows just moved a lot. I'm so sorry. I don't know what that was. But yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I'm going to be home all day. So that's pretty cute. The pep rally, it's Harry Potter, which kind of excited me. And then I was like, what if I don't want to miss school? But then on the morning announcements, they were like, the freshmen are Slytherin, and me, your girl, I am Slytherin. And I don't want people to think I'm a freshman. So like, then I was like, forget it. And then they're doing A and B lunch, and then they're doing like A building and PE. Why am I holding my donut? A building and PE first, and then they're doing the rest of the school, which is really stupid. I don't know, the whole thing is just really dumb, and I'm not really here for it. Hopefully they don't keep doing the A and B stuff, knock on wood, because like two different lunches is not okay. Like, we all just need to stick together and just keep doing what we're doing, because we have no problem with it. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Hope you enjoyed this really short vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I kind of sounded like JoJo. Let me repeat that. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a really short vlog, but tomorrow's vlog will hopefully be a little bit more entertaining, and it's also Friday night, like actual Friday night. So yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, and I don't know what I was gonna say. Bye.